Part 3 of how to put up a universal Walmart.
They're all different. They're all different.
For a TCL.
They're all different. And
hang on.
Let's try this one. I might have to modify that screw.
Hang on.
Come on.
Hi, Joni.
Hey, little girl.
We saw Normal. We saw Normal when we came in.
Oh, yeah?
She was in the carport.
Oh, wow.
And then when she came in, we saw us come in, she took off.
Okay. Alright, let's try.
Joni. Joni.
Back.
Call your cat.
Come on, Red.
She'll move. Joni will do what she wants to do.
Well, I don't need her darting on the door.
Alright.
You finally found the right size screw?
No. I don't know if it's got the right size screw. I might have to modify one.
Hi, Joni. Hi, Ren.
I really don't want to have to modify one. Alright. What if... Alright, let's try that. Might work, but it might not work. But then again, who knows? Worth a try. I don't really want to modify a screw, considering cleaning up all that slack off it ain't no fun. Slide that up there. Wait a minute. Maybe. Get back here. Alright. Maybe. Okay. Alright. So. It'll be. Alright. Swing a washer. Okay. I've got up here. There we go. Okay. Now, if I can't do that, then I might just try to cheat, shall we? Okay. I'll grab a couple of these out and see if I can cheat. Alright, put the spacers right there. Put the spacer right there. Now, okay, then Johnny's like, you ain't putting me back there. I don't want to be in that nice cool room. I want to be out here so I can look out the door and everything. Alright. But then the dog's like, what? I ain't stupid. I know where the air conditioning's at.
Yeah.
You want to see why I like being back there? Just look at David. Ah. Yeah. Hey, little girl. Yeah. Come on. There we go. All right. Now. All right. Like that. Now. Set that
It's
up.
hot.
You think? You'd think because it rained, it would have cooled it off some.
I know.
Yeah. No cross-threading now. There, all right.
Should plug that fan in and turn it over to us. If she gets
Yeah, but the
dirty.
problem is that the camera would pick up the.
Yeah, and then we get complaints.
Yeah, so. Ha! I cheated. Just a shame I had to cheat on the spot that I really wish I didn't have to, because of this depth difference.
As long as it works. I know you could figure it out, honey.
Yeah. Because these are actually, these things, just for if you had a duck or something poking out of the wall, probably. Even hitting the bloody hole. There you go. Alright.
You're not upset that you got your Christmas present early, are you?
Nah, my Doris is gonna love it.
Huh?
Doris is gonna love it. Alright.
Yep. It's for both of you, not just her, you know.
Hey, I got noting a map in Gmod for that I'm trying to figure out how to do. Okay, so these are the screws that were in there, so those are out. This is all for alternate hardware. And oh, cool, it's even got a little magnet level. Alright, and then this is for actually putting it on the wall. Okay, so I am going I think I might be able to use a bit for this. Just give me a couple of minutes here.
Okay, next will be the next section.
Yeah,